Hi there, this is Save with Crypto. Now, a lot of people who've been upgrading their Crypto.com cards have been complaining about the long wait for their new card. And the problem is that when you upgrade it, the old card stops working. Now, as I've been waiting 11 days because I upgraded my card on November the 1st, by November the 11th, I was getting a bit fed up of the fact that I couldn't use it to pay some bills that I wanted to pay. So I wrote to them and I said, I'm waiting for my rose gold upgrade. Is there any way I can use my existing card and or a virtual version of my physical card? And they wrote back. I didn't quite understand their reply. It said, your current card will be open soon until the new is shipped. I didn't quite understand that, so I got them to clarify. And they said, what did they say? They said, we have escalated this internally and your request to reopen the current card until the new is shipped so you can use it as usual will be processed very soon. All right, it's quite clumsy English, but I understood it that time. So obviously, my card was going to be used again. So I used it today. I bought some jeans from Levi.com, and if you look in my crypto wallet, you'll see here, this was €154 I spent at Levi.com, and I got the cash back equivalent of €7.72, which if you work it out is 5%. So I'm actually getting the rose gold 5% with my 3% Indigo card right now. So it's got the same features as what I'll have with the rose gold, but it's now working with the old card. So I'm in no rush to get the new rose gold one. I guess they'll send it when it's ready. It is also worth noting that I did pay my car insurance today with it, which was €660. And there are certain things where you don't get cash back, and insurance is one of them. And sure enough, I didn't get anything back on that, which is a shame because that would have been quite nice. That would have been 30 odd euros, but never mind. You also noticed here that I'm getting the extra 2% on the earn feature, which gets paid in CRO. So, for example, this one here, well, I'm investing 424 e-gold, and I got this extra 2%, which is an extra euro a week I'm getting for that. So this is all good. I mean, the company's not perfect, but they do seem to be able to get around a few problems that they have, and I think it can only get better, really. So if you're interested in having a Crypto.com account yourself and getting one of the cards, use the link in the description, which will get you $25 worth of crypto when you deposit the equivalent of $50 in your account. And that account will be in whatever your local currency is. Mine's in euros because I live in France. So it can be in whatever currency you like, but you get the cash back in CRO crypto, which you can then convert into anything you like, Bitcoin or normal money or whatever. Okay. Thank you very much. This is Save with Crypto. Bye bye.